welcome back, Team Dragon. It's your girl Nikia Dragon, and we're going to get into this video. Basically just show my apartment and me around Walmart picking up things for said apartment. If y'all don't know, yes, China has a Walmart and everything is a little bit cheaper. So the thing about it was how long it took me to get this apartment. And I'm not like on a waiting list, but just for me to get things. So as y'all can see, I got my cleaning things. My mama always said, when you move into an apartment, regardless if they clean, you double clean, just to make sure. Now, y'all, this was so crazy because our DD driver, which is like Uber in China, basically left us in a car on the side of the road and he ran somewhere. I don't know where the hell he was going, but yeah. Then you kind of got me going through the hallways. Now, this was really nice for me. This was like a grabber because I always look at see how clean the neighbors are and how clean the place is before I even move in, which was really decent because they are really clean here. And I love that for me. I love a clean apartment, especially when you cost $1,100. So here's me putting a pan. If y'all don't know, you have to have a pan to get into your apartment here. This me, of course, fixing on my lights. I've been in here before, so this wasn't a new. But the downside of this for me was basically like the tub and the toilet. So when you take a shower, like everything over there is getting wet unless you set it up a certain way. That kind of threw me off. However, I do love my apartment. It's really nice. It's a studio apartment. And like I said, it does cost $1,100. But rent every month is very cheap. I have a washing machine outside and I'm washing clothes currently. Upstairs was very nice to me because that's where your bedroom is. And they have these glass closets that you basically like turn on. And yeah, it's a little bit around the house. Now, I am going to show y'all an updated video when I get everything in here that I want to get in. But till then, like, this is it. There's no keys in China for your apartment. Only a PIN number that you personalize. And as in all, I love this apartment. I think it's beautiful. I watched my previous video. You see the other apartments that I went through. My second choice was definitely my favorite choice that I wanted. But that's another video for another day. Of course, I'm walking downstairs. Y'all see how clean the floors are. You can basically see your reflection in them. I cleaned this apartment top to bottom. And I mean top to bottom, wipe down everything. I bleached everything in here. You would thought like I was trying to make a bomb. But yes, this is my video. Stay tuned for everything else coming soon. Bye.